It's Happy Mail time from Villa Rosa Designs. Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and I hope that you are ready for an amazing kickoff to your week. And if not, it's here anyway. So guys, we just gotta trudge on. But over the weekend I received some happy mail and I am anxious to share with you the latest and greatest from Villa Rosa Designs. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thanks for being here. If you're one of my longtime subscribers, thank you guys so much. And if you're a channel member on top, a big, huge shout out and thank you to each and every one of you. It really helps support and let me keep doing the things that I do. But with all of that said, wanted to focus in on today Villa Rosa Designs. I do like them. I do a lot of Villa Rosa Designs. I like them because they are simple enough that I don't have to have complicated instructions, and at the same time I can convert them pretty easily into AccuQuilt dies. So a lot of what I do now with Villa Rosa, I no longer hand cut. I actually cut using the AccuQuilt dies because the patterns themselves really lend themselves to follow a lot of the AccuQuilt system. Just FYI, I'm not sponsored, an affiliate, or have any association whatsoever with Villa Rosa. You get my full and honest opinion, and at some point, maybe that'll change. But as of today, I pay fully for these this monthly subscription, which is $8.95. And if you're interested, it is Villa Rosa, VILLA Designs.com is their website if you would like to order your own. So let's jump in. First one out of the packet this morning is called Bedelia, and it is by Running Doe Quilts. She's done quite a few for them. It's an interesting pattern. It's awfully busy. I will say a lot of times I'm not happy with the pictures a lot of times that Villa Roses chooses. I do like this because it's got so much color in that to it, but it is definitely a busy design. This design finishes out at 51 by 68 inches, and it can be done with fat eighths or fat quarters. It's a nice design. No knocking on this design. It's not one that I am going to do anytime soon, but it is a nice design. So good job there. The next one's by Heidi Cook. Heidi Cook has done quite a few designs for Villa Rosa. She does them almost every month. It's called Dump Cake, and this one is how to use a panel to do some things different. I'm trying really hard, guys, to make sure you don't get the reflection. This one's called Dump Cake. It is a cool pattern. It gives you a different alternative if you have a panel that you want to do something with. This is a way to help dress that panel up. This one finishes out 59 by 66 inches. So one that I'll keep, but not one that I'll be doing anytime soon, even though I said I'm kind of tired of doing panels and not doing much with them. And then I think I just bought 5 new panels. So don't always pay attention to what I say, guys. Horizontal Planes is the next one. It is by Molly Cook along, I'm assuming they're sisters or they may be mother and daughter, I'm not sure. This one's called Horizontal Planes. And again, it is focused on using some really accent fabric, squares, or this is actually designed for a panel. But this panel did run horizontally, and this finishes out 46 by 63 inches. It's fine. It's definitely not one of my favorites, but it's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. When you get 5 new patterns every month, it's hard for every one of them to jump out and go, wow, that's just the one I have to have. This one I do like. This one is called Dahlia. It is by Melissa Milligan. She has done quite a bit of designs for Villa Rosa as well. I really like this, and I don't like it just because it has purple in it. I really do like the look and design of this pattern. It does finish out 52 by 68 inches. So again, a nice size quilt. And especially for some of us that are newer quilters, this gives you an opportunity to do some of the more detailed designs in that, but usually at a bigger size. And so you end up with a pretty good sized quilt anytime you deal with Villa Rosa, but it also gives you a time to practice and hone in on some of these different skill sets. The next one is called Avoca. This one is by Rachelle. Rachelle has done quite a few designs for Villa Rosa as well. This one finishes out 48 by 60. I like this design. It's different. I It does run very similar to several other designs that I've seen at Villa Rosa, but it does take a little bit different spin. It does finish out 48 by 60 inches, and I can tell you this could all be done by using your AccuQuilt cutter if you so have one. So that subscription, you get 5 new patterns every month. It's $8.95. I need more patterns, like I probably need a hole in my head. My favorite this month is absolutely, no, where is it? God, I grabbed it. Look, it's the only one that I can't get on the top of the pile. Dahlia would be my favorite this month. That would be a pattern that I would like to do sometime. And the fact that it's got accents for big, a big focal fabric even makes it better. But won't be doing these anytime soon. I am just so backed up on everything else. I do pay an extra $2, so if they have table runners, mug rugs, pillows, anything that they toss in, I do get those. This month is Liberty Cove, and this one is by Trisha Lynn Maloney. She's done quite a few patterns for Villa Rosa as well that I really like, and I have to tell you guys, I really, really, really like the look of this table runner. I do think it would go together pretty quick. This table runner is 12 inches wide by 56 inches long. But I do like the look of this. It's a very clean look, but a very patriotic look, and I'm sure you could do Halloween colors and other things with it. I do wish it was a little bit wider than 12 inches, but we can make modifications and make that happen as well. And the last one is from Trisha Lynn as well with her puppy. Her puppy's been showing up every month in pillow designs that she's doing. This one's called Sail Away, which is a new sailing pillow. It does really give you some different areas to reflect on. It is a cool pattern as well, and her pillows always finish out 18 by 18 inches. So guys, that's John. That's Guys Craft 2. That is the July 2026 collection from Villa Rosa Designs. I have been a subscriber for them for a couple of years. I literally have a binder this thick, and we'll probably just buy a new binder before I actually stop. But I do enjoy some nights just sitting down going through all the patterns. They have an app that you can also download and track and understand all the patterns that they have or you have, and then you can also make a wish list for patterns that you hope to purchase in the future. There are patterns at most quilt stores are $2, and sometimes I even find them on clearance for $1. So an extremely good value when today most patterns are going for $12, $15 seems to be the new standard. So thanks for dropping in. Thanks for giving me just a little time this morning to kind of share some of my new patterns, some things that we'll be looking at and working on in the future. And guys, as always, thanks for being here and happy crafting.